Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm working in a Canvas course shell, and I want to make an Honorlock trial quiz. And so I'm going to go through the process of how that appears to be working for me. This is January the 17th, 2021, and within a couple of weeks I'll report in the comments if everything seemed to go well with what I'm about to show you, because we don't start with the students for still a little bit. Well, one of the first things that I want to do is go to my old monitoring program and make sure that all of these are unlinked. So I have several tests, and I'm going to say don't require this, and I'm going to go through this and back out of these to make sure that I'm not laying one monitoring program on top of another. I want to look at my quizzes for just a moment. Notice that I have an old lockdown browser, but I've got another one that I've retooled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go home, and I'm going to import existing content, and I'm going to bring over, I'm going to copy a Canvas course, and I have a quiz that I've already kind of done, and it's already linked to Honorlock. So I'm going to import this. It'll just take a second. It won't take that long. I have to select it though. I was waiting. And I was waiting on me. Trial quiz, Honorlock plus webcam under quizzes. Anyhow, I've already done this, and so I am importing it. And yeah, it should be booted up pretty quickly. Bueno, bueno, bueno. All right, let's go to quizzes again, and let's make sure that it's in here. There's the trial quiz, Honorlock. There's really no reason for me to have this other one in the system right now, so I am going to deploy this. I'm going to go to modules. I already have the dates set on it, open and due dates, so I'm going to go to modules, and what I'm going to do is I've got it due February the 7th, so I'm going to go over here and click plus, and I'm going to click quiz, and I'm going to add the trial quiz Honorlock. There it is, and I want it due on the 7th, February 7th. That's going to be coming up pretty fast, and then we can take a look at it. What I did do is I put some online exam guidelines in here about what's kind of expected of the student. This is these are common expectations no matter what type of program is being used. And there's my quiz. This is not a video about how to make a quiz. Let's go to Honorlock though next. Do I have it up here? I did not mean to do that. I'm trying to find Honorlock. Okay, well, this is another good thing to do. Let's go to navigation. We clicked on settings. Let's go to navigation, and there it is. My word. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. Some of the stuff you put up with. All right, there it is. We got to get it up near the top. That's where it belongs. Lockdown browser needs to go down to the bottom, kind of. Not all the way down to the bottom because we want to save it. All right, let's click on Honorlock. And what I want you to notice is that I imported that quiz from another shell, and it says, would you like to basically import the settings for that applicable exam? And yes, I want to copy that because I just copied one. That was all I did. And we'll take a look at it here in a second. All right. It says course copied. It wasn't a course. It would just say specific trial quiz. Okay, now notice that it says trial quiz, Honorlock, and then here are the settings. So you can see some of the settings that are already chosen, and you can allow the students to do more than they ought to be doing here apparently, and then you save, but these are just the standard settings that Honorlock allows. So there you go. That is what I have, and the students will encounter this in their modules. Right there it is. Let's go to our directions and make sure we've made a comment about that. Let's say that. Okay, see it says an Honorlock webcam quiz are due. Okay, it says / respondus. I'm going to get rid of that. We're going to Honorlock. So I'm going to make sure that I'm telling the story. All right. I think we're good to go. All right, there you go. That is far too long, but Brother Barnes signing out.